Double-sided tape for arts, crafts, photography, scrapbooking, tear by hand, paper backing, 6 rolls, width 6 mm, 9 mm, 12 mm, 15 mm. Multiple sizes, 4 sizes, width 6 mm, 9 mm, 12 mm, 15 mm. Double-sided tape. You can pick different width conveniently according to different objects you need stick. Package include, come with 6 rolls double-sided tape, 2x 6 mm, 2x 9 mm, 1x 12 mm, 1x 15 mm, 30 meters 32 yards for each roll. High-quality adhesive. The tape with high-quality strong adhesive, easy to stick to objects firmly, such as paper, card, ribbon. Necessary for white application. The tape can be applied on fabrics, paper, glass, wood, wall and plastic. Convenient for making gift, documents, wallpapers, scrapbooks, crafts, ribbon clip, cards and boxes. Warm note, for adhesive stronger, please keep the object surface clean and smooth before stick the tape on. Click the link in the description to get this product.